Okay, children, now today we are going to see about the social agriculture lesson, term 3. Already we have seen this lesson and we have written the fill up, match and everything. Now we are going to write the answer the following. So take down your notebook and write down this, children. Answer the following. So questions are in the book. So note down this question answers and write down everything and prepare for the examination, children. We are going to move on for the examination. So what is agriculture? What is agriculture? Answer is agriculture is the art and science of preparing soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising livestock. Okay. It leads for the development. It leads for the development of human civilization. Okay, this is the first question. Write about farmer. Write about farmer. A farmer is a person who cultivates. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops. And rears animals. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians or directly or indirectly involved in agriculture. Okay, then third one, name the different types of farming. What are the different types of farming? The answer is the different types of farming are subsistence farming. Then second one, commercial farming. commercial farming. Then third one, plantation farming. And fourth one is mixed farming. Okay, these are the types of farming. Next one is, what is well irrigation? Fourth one, what is well irrigation? Well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Okay. Then the fifth one, give a note on the Central Groundwater Board. Give a note. Central Groundwater Board. Answer is Central Groundwater Board, that is CGWB. Central Ground Water Board, CGWB, monitors the level and nature of groundwater. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoon. Northeast and southwest monsoon. Hence, agriculture in Tamil Nadu depend on groundwater. Okay, so these are the short questions they are given. Okay, now we'll move on to the detail. Answer in detail. Next one is answer in detail. Okay. First one, write about mixed and plantation farming. Write about mixed and plantation farming. Okay, so first one is you can write mixed forming. What do you mean by the mixed forming? This is the detail. So you have to write both the forming now. Mixed forming. So mixed forming, it refers to the rearing of animals. It refers to the rearing of animals. Rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. So this type of farming is economical. Okay. That's all. And the next one we have to write about the plantation farming. So write plantation farming. Copy down everything in your classwork, children. So you might be having this for the examination also. Plantation farming. It is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. It is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. Okay. So example is tea, coffee and rubber. Okay, children, this is the first detail. Now the second detail is explain any two types of irrigation. So you can write any two types. Explain any two types of irrigation. So first one you write sprinkler irrigation, okay, and canal irrigation. So first one is sprinkler irrigation. Or if you are having the book, you can write any two of the irrigation. It is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes. Water is sprayed. Sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Okay. Then second one is easy only. This is canal irrigation. So two types of irrigation we have to write. Canal irrigation. In this, it is the most important form of irrigation. It is the most important form of irrigation. So write like this, most important form of irrigation, okay, in India. So in India. And next one is, most of the North Indian canals are perennial. Most of the North Indian canals. Canals or perennial. The main canals in irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India. The main canals எங்க இருக்குன்னா irrigated areas or in the northern plains of India. Northern plains of India. So in which places is the North Indian perennials is UP, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, then Haryana, then Rajasthan and Bihar. Okay. So these are the two irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. Okay. And main canals are irrigated areas are the northern plains of India, that is UP, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar. Okay. And now the second one. So these two details and one more detail. Yeah. Write about important crops of Tamil Nadu. Third one. Write about important crops. Crops of Tamil Nadu. So what are the important crops of Tamil Nadu? You can say write about the important crops. So answer is Tamil Nadu has, so நம்மளுக்கு வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு climate as different types of soil, as different types of soil, rainfall and weather. Okay. It is suitable for the production of, it is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers. So all these are suitable for the Tamil Nadu, important crops, flowers, then medicinal and aromatic plants. Okay, and the second point is horticulture. Is the fastest growing sector within agriculture in Tamil Nadu. This is the second point. And the third point is paddy is grown in large areas. because rice is the main staple food of the state. Okay, then fourth one, the principal food crops. So I'll write here. Next one is fourth point, the principal food crop. Food crops are rice, maize, jowar. Jowar வந்து நம்மளுக்கு சோளம். Bajrana kambu. Ragi and pulses. Pulses வந்து Bengal gram. Red gram, green gram, black gram and horse gram. So this is about the important crops of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Tamil Nadu has the different types of soil, rainfall and weather, and it is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants. And third point is horticulture is the fastest growing sector within agriculture in Tamil Nadu, and paddy is grown in the large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. And the principal food crops are rice, maize, jowar is cholam, bajra is kambu, ragi and pulses, Bengal gram, pulses and the red gram, green gram, black gram and horse gram. So two unit we have finished. I have given the question answers also. So go through this, learn this, copy down everything in your classwork and write everything, children. So this is the question answer for this lesson, second lesson, that is about the agriculture. So learn the fill up, choose, match and true or false and everything, and question answers I have given all this. So learn everything and copy down this in your classwork and be ready for the exam. Thank you, children.